hey, welcome if you're a returning subscriber. Hey, so as you can tell, this is how I do my brows. Yes, the brows. So I am going into detail as how it is I get my brows done, right? Whether it's late or not, if I need to do my brows, this is what I do. So if it is you would like to get brows like me and you would like to know what to do each time, just keep on watching. Intend on putting anything else on the face so it would not look too obvious, or like how I am putting this one, I know that I'm going to blend my foundation or onto my eyes, so I wouldn't have to worry about this high color. I'm just using this high color especially to let you all see what I am doing. So the first thing I do, I put the brush facing upward. So the tail of the brush is facing upward up to the edge, right? As you all saw. And then to come down to the tail, I am facing the tail of the brush downward, right? To pull it down. And then we are taking the edge and neatening up that line that we try to make. You don't need to do this line in one full motion. You can do it in bits and pieces to ensure that you get your line as perfect as possible. As you can see, I myself is not perfect. You always have to go back and keep perfecting and fixing, and you blend the remaining color into the eyelid. So you keep doing this, keep practicing, and I am sure that you will get it perfectly eventually, as I've been doing. Hope you all enjoy this one.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can. Daily, baddest in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road.